Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to unarchive posts on Facebook. So perhaps you've archived a post or a story at some point and you want to unarchive it and restore it back to your profile. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon at the top right, left click on it, and then you want to select Settings and Privacy. And then underneath settings, you want to select where it says activity log. On the left side, scroll down and select where it says archive. Click on the drop down and then select post archive. On the right side, go ahead and check mark inside the box of the post you want to restore. Go ahead and check mark that and then select the restore option. So items you restore from your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they're moved to the archive. Select restore and give it a moment. And then once you go back to your timeline, it should be visible once again. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.